Hello guys, so I've been using the Grant Cash Advance app for a few months now, and here's my honest take. If you're running a Shopify store or any small business, you know that cash flow gaps can happen, like waiting for payments from customers or managing ad spend. Grant Cash Advance is one of those tools that can help cover small, short-term expenses without the hassle of traditional loans. Right off the bat, what grabbed me was the simplicity. Link your bank account, request a cash advance, and you can get your money, either with standard delivery or same-day delivery for a small fee. I started with a $25 advance, which is the minimum, and it actually hit my account pretty fast, though same-day delivery cost me around $5. For Shopify owners, this is useful if you need a quick top-up to cover shipping costs, ad campaigns, or small inventory orders without waiting days for a bank transfer. The app doesn't run credit checks, which is great if you're like me and don't want another hard pull on your credit. And they're upfront about their $9.99 per month subscription if you want faster transfers. This transparency is helpful for small business owners who need predictable costs. No surprises or hidden fees eating into your budget. Now, the limits are definitely on the lower side. I could only get $250 maximum per pay period, which might be fine for covering gas, groceries, or minor business expenses like purchasing a few units of inventory. But if you need more cash, it's not really built for that. So if you're planning a bigger purchase or large ad spend, you might need to look at other funding options. That said, the app has some useful extras, like spending insights, budgeting tools, and low balance alerts, which I actually found helpful for keeping track of my money. For Shopify store owners, features like these are great for tracking operating costs or monitoring cash flow trends over time. The user interface is clean and easy to navigate, though it did feel a bit glitchy a couple of times, like it didn't immediately detect my paycheck for a new advance. It's one of those things that works most of the time, but occasionally I had to log out and back in to get things moving. Customer service is another mixed bag. There's no phone support, so everything is done through email or the in-app chatbot. I did have to email once for a quick question, and I got a reply the next day, which is okay if your issue isn't urgent, but don't expect instant answers. For business owners, this means planning ahead if you rely on the app for time-sensitive funding. Don't wait until the last minute for cash. One thing I noticed is that, while they advertise a free option to request advances via email, I never really saw that work smoothly. So most of the time, the $9.99 per month subscription feels almost necessary if you want reliable, fast access to cash. In practice, the subscription guarantees that small cash injections arrive when you need them, which is useful for covering urgent expenses like ad campaigns, shipping, or immediate inventory restocking. I also like that Grant keeps things transparent with fees. The same-day transfers have a small charge, ranging from $2 to $8, depending on how fast you want the money, and there are no hidden late fees or interest, which is a relief compared to some other apps that sneak in extra costs. For Shopify owners, knowing the exact cost of a quick cash advance helps you plan your expenses without surprises. Security is solid too. They use bank-level encryption, and I never felt like my personal or financial info was at risk. This is especially important for small business owners handling sensitive financial data, like sales revenue, customer refunds, or bank details. Overall, I'd say Grant Cash Advance is legit. It's fast, secure, and the fees are upfront, which I appreciate. But it's best if you're looking for small, short-term cash advances and don't mind paying for the convenience of faster transfers. For anyone needing bigger amounts or more flexible support, there are other apps out there, but for what it does, it works and keeps things simple. It's become my go-to when I just need a quick, small boost between paychecks without jumping through hoops. For Shopify store owners, it's a reliable option to cover immediate cash needs, manage short-term expenses, or smooth out gaps in cash flow without disrupting your operations.